Hello, my name is André Margi. I'm an SAP consultant, expert in IS Retail and FMS, certified in S4HANA. In this video, I will teach you how to do a mass update in SAP. So we're going to use one particular field to be updated for a group of vendor objects. So we have multiple vendors, but we need to update one specific field with different values. So there is one specific transaction code to do a mass update for vendors, and there is a trick to do a mass update with multiple different values. Okay, let's take a look. So let's take a look first in the Excel file that I have here in the column A. I have multiple vendors, so you can see different values for vendors. And the column B, I have the field that will be updated with the mass update. In this case, it is the tax ID 1, but could be any other field from vendor master data. In this case, as I said, I'm updating only vendor object, but could be a material or an article. But in this case, I'm going to show you how to update the vendors. So let's go back to SAP. The transaction code that to do the mass update for vendors, it is XK99, as we can see here, XK99. So the table that will be updated, it is LFA1. So first I select the item line, then I click and import data from file. Let me get out from here. Next step, I need to select the file that I want to be read by SAP. Here it is the file that I want to be read by SAP. Then there are two options. The first one, it is with header line. The other one, it is without header line. In my case, I'm not going to use the header, so I should pick it up without header line. Just execute and ask if I allow SAP to download the file. Takes a bit of time until SAP finishes the reading. Depends on the number of records that you have on your file. In my example, there are about 200 item lines, so it's not so heavy. Maybe my SAP that is not so fast right now. Okay, there is some complaint about the file that is already opened. Let's go back to SAP. Yes, so SAP was able to read my file, but now we did not inform which field to SAP that has to be updated. So let's do it right now. The column A, remember that it is the vendor information or the vendor code. So that's LIFNR, the technical name for vendor, for the vendor code. The second one is the tax number ID. That is the field name. It is STCD1. But as you can see, there are so many options. They all belong to LFA1 table. It's in here. Then what I have to do, it is just click on continue. And here we go. The last step, I'm going to save, and all the data will be replicated to the table according to the content that it is into the file. And then just a matter of finish the processing that might take some time. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoy and use that information. See you next video. Bye bye.